Hello there, welcome to Tonic. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've got a really important presentation to deliver and you don't want to fluff that presentation up, however you don't have anybody to rehearse that presentation to before the actual presentation occurs? Well, I'm going to show you a really cool trick using AI how you can get real-time feedback on when you are rehearsing that presentation. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got a PowerPoint presentation opened up here, 4 slides on the importance of digital skills in the workplace. Now, to find Rehearse with Coach, at the top within PowerPoint, you can see the ribbon here. Now, you see lots of different options. So move across to slideshow, choose that. And within slideshow option, you will see Rehearse with Coach in the Rehearse section. You can just click on Rehearse with Coach. It will open up your presentation in the slideshow view, presentation view here. So this is my first slide, but on the bottom right hand corner, what you can see is you will see a box appear and it will say see live feedback as you rehearse and start rehearsing. Now I'm going to say something to you. You should rehearse this for at least a minute minimum to really allow PowerPoint to give you really valuable feedback on the way you speak, how many times you stutter. If you say a lot, it will detect all these things and it will give you really valuable feedback for you to be able to develop your presentation skills when you do get to that actual presentation. Really good, especially if you've got an important presentation and you've got a specific time to aim for. For example, you've got a 20-minute presentation and they've told you can't go over 20 minutes. It will give you the ability to ensure you are being succinct and concise as well. Or if there's an interview, you've got a 20-minute presentation, it will allow you within that presentation to be succinct and concise. So to start the presentation then, or to start your rehearsal, all you simply do from the bottom right hand corner, make sure show real-time feedback is enabled and you click on this start rehearsing button. Make sure you got a microphone because it will detect what you say in the microphone as well. So I'm going to click on start and here you go. So in the bottom right hand corner it'll say start talking and we'll show feedback to you. So now it's listening the coaches, so you can start rehearsals or you can start rehearsing your presentation. So welcome to my presentation on the importance of digital skills in the workplace, as the digital skills or having these skills is the new workplace imperative. So in today's rapidly evolving world, digital skills are really becoming indispensable and they're no longer just an advantage, now they are a core requirement for success. So you can see straight away it says off to a good start. So it's also saying that I'm using quite a lot, so it's giving me instant feedback. So this presentation explores why embracing digital skills is essential. We must drive productivity, innovation and growth. I'm going to say a few times, and it's giving me some feedback, real-time feedback here in the bottom right hand corner. Try not to use too many fillers like so that was a filler word. So this presentation is by Tonic. I'm going to move on. So why digital skills matter. So it gives you the ability to for that enhanced productivity, foster innovation, drive growth, so on and so forth. So digital skills streamlines those processes or allowing, there you go, I'm using quite a lot again. So I'm going to stop there. I know I've not gone through my whole presentation, but this is just a taste what Rehearse with Coach can give you in terms of feedback. So if I stop my presentation, if I pause and if I click on escape on my keyboard, there you go, it will hopefully produce this report here. So this is my rehearsal report. It gives me a preview, so it's in boxes, so it'll give me a summary. Yeah, good job rehearsing, keep up the hard work. So I've spent 1 minute 28 seconds and I've rehearsed 2 slides. I've used filler words here and obviously picked up the word I do use that quite a bit in my presentations, to be fair. So repetitive language, it's giving me some feedback here. Nice work, your variety of word choice will help keep your audience engaged. Inclusiveness, so great job, your use of inclusive language was excellent, so it's giving me feedback on that. Here is giving me some feedback on my pace. The pace is just right, keep it up. So I'm speaking at 135 words a minute, which is brilliant. And it's also giving me a chart, a visual to show me my average pace over time. And if you want to learn more about each of these, you can click on that to get some more information about this. So how was your experience of pitch? It's giving me some information or feedback on my pitch. So low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. Try increasing the tone of your key points. Okay, that's something I will take on board, so I can learn more on that. And the originality, you avoided reading slide text aloud. That's good for keeping the audience engaged with your message. So what I try and do with my presentation is read around the slides as opposed to reading what's on the slides. So it's giving me some feedback on that as well. Please do check it out. It's a really good feature to use, especially if you've got an important presentation and you need time to rehearse, to ensure your presentation is succinct and concise. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.